It's an exciting time. You bought a home. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or this is your 10th home purchase, wire fraud schemes could be a major pitfall. Here are 4 easy tips to help you protect yourself. Hackers are just looking for the opportunity to hack into your email and steal your information. So here's your first tip. Call, don't email. By now you should already have all of our contact information. So if you receive an email that you think might be fraudulent, call our office, let us know, talk to us about it. We want to make sure that that email is in fact fraudulent. Tip number 2, be suspicious. If you receive an email from us saying that we've changed the wiring instructions, that will never happen. We will never ask you to change the wiring instructions via email. Call our office, verify it. Tip number 3, confirm everything. When you receive wiring instructions from our office, call us. Make sure that the banking information that you've been provided is correct. Tip number 4, verify immediately. As soon as you've initiated a wire to our office, call us and let us know. And as soon as we receive it, we will call you and let you know it's been received. We are looking forward to closing your transaction, and we are super excited for it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call us. I know I've used the word call in this video quite a bit, but it is our goal to make sure that your money is safe. We don't mind you calling our office, even if you have to call every time before you send that wire. If you have any additional questions, make sure you contact Arrow Title Services, your team behind the scene, at 772-888-9120. We're looking forward to taking your closing in the right direction.